Okay, here's part two of the video. We're talking about figuring out if lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So parallel means that they have the same slope. Perpendicular means they have negative reciprocals, or if you multiply the two slopes together, you get -1. So if you look at both of these are in standard form, ax plus by equals c. So what I would do is I would actually solve this for y real quick. So you get 3y equals -2x minus 4. I divide this by 3. I divide this by 3. And everything by 3. So you get -2/3 x minus 4/3. And I can see that the slope here is -2/3. This guy, I'm going to solve this guy for y. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides. So I get -8 plus 4y. I'm going to add 8. So I get 6x plus 8 equals 4y. Divide everything by 4. So if I divide everything by 4 here, I get y equals, and here it is, this is 3 over 2x plus 2. The slope of this guy is 3 over 2. Well, what's the relationship between the slope that's -2 over 3 and the slope that is 3 over 2? Well, they're negative reciprocals, so these guys are in fact perpendicular. Moving on to the next one, same line. So the last thing we did is we solved this. This is -2/3 x minus 4/3. So we have y equals -2/3 x. And what was it? It was -2/3 x minus 4/3. So we're going to go ahead and solve this one. So bring all the y's to one side. So I'm going to add 2x here. I get 7x plus y equals 7 plus 3y. All right, and then I'm going to subtract y here, subtract y here. I get 7x equals 7 plus 2y. Subtract 7, so I get 7x minus 7 equals 2y, and I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And here I get y equals 7 over 2x minus 7 halves. These guys are not parallel and they're not perpendicular, so they're neither. Looking at the next one. Same thing. We have all we really care about here is our slope. Our slope is -2 over 3. So here, a line passing through the points -3, comma 3, and 0, comma 1. Well, all you got to do is find the rate of change, also known as the slope. So I'm just going to go 3 minus 1 over -3 minus 0. So I get -2 over -3, which is 2/3. These guys are neither as well. All right. Find the equation of the line through the point -4, comma 2, given the line M, whose equation is shown below. So what I'm going to do with this guy is I'm actually going to just solve this for y. So I have 5x equals 5x plus 8 equals 4y divided by 4. So y is 5/4 x plus 8 over 4. So my slope that I'm concerned about is 5/4. All right. So if I want a line that's parallel, I'm going to use the same point, or the same slope. So y minus 2 equals 5/4 times x plus 4. That's good. I can stop right there, unless I want to put it in the slope-intercept form. Perpendicular to M, then what I'm going to do is use the same thing. Y minus 2 equals, and I'm going to do the negative reciprocal, which is -4/5, and I got x plus 4. I could solve this in for y and put it in slope-intercept form, but I don't need to, because they asked for the equation for the line, and they're not asking for it in a particular form, so we can leave it in point slope. All right, so that's the end. Make sure you go back and watch the other video, and I'll see you tomorrow in class. May the force be with you.